oranges?
I do.
Take that binder out of your mouth, crazy one.
I do. I like oranges.
Here's some oranges.
I want the pink one. That looks like a pumpkin. Can you cut a map for me? I
Cut it up
want
for
to
you?
eat this whole thing. Cut a map for me, Ella. It looks like a pumpkin. It looks like a pumpkin. You can't have two ones. Only one. No. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's okay if one has 2.
Well, she has to eat one first. And then if there's more for everyone else,
Should they just peel them?
I'll help peel them.
I can put this one there. I can have this one. And I can have this one. And I can have this one. And I can have this one.
Do your pumpkins, do your oranges have faces?
Yeah.
Do they have names?
No. They're pumpkins. They're orange. They're orange and pumpkin. I don't like this.